If you are new to WordPress, maybe you don't know how to find login page. There is no login page here. There are three options. Option number one, to type admin after the address of your website. It takes you to login page. The other option is to type this one. So let me erase it and let me type wp and then login.php and then enter. And the last option, you can bring the login link here inside these widgets. These are widgets. We call that widget in WordPress. So let's log in by my password. And then from here, from appearance, I go to widgets. And then if I want to add it inside those widgets, I need to add meta between them. That's it. Done. Now if I go to the first page, I will see login and log out here. Let's log out. If I go back, I will see login, which takes me to login page. Thanks for listening.